In 1970s, German biophysicist Fritz Albert Popp made a startling discovery. He detected a faint glow coming from living cells. Not bioluminescence like fireflies produce, but something far more subtle and potentially far more profound. He called this phenomenon biophotons, living light. But this was just the beginning. Popp's discovery was just the first glimpse into a hidden world of energy. Information that exists beyond our conventional understanding of biology. Enter Dr. Claude Swanson, a physicist with degrees from MIT and Princeton. Swanson's work takes the concept of biophotons a quantum leap further, connecting them to an even more fundamental phenomenon: torsion fields. What we're uncovering here isn't just a new biological phenomenon. It's a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical, between science and spirit. Little did Swanson know that his research would lead him to insights that could revolutionize our understanding of consciousness, health, and the very nature of reality itself. To understand torsion fields, we need to expand our view of the universe. Imagine the entire universe as a vast, intricate dance. Every particle, every atom, every cell, all spinning, all connected by invisible threads of energy. These are torsion fields. Torsion fields have properties that sound like science fiction. They propagate through space as spiraling waves in the fabric of space-time itself. They can travel faster than light, even backward in time. They couple particles with the same quantum spin, even at vast distances. They interact with electromagnetic fields and matter. They can alter the rate at which time flows. They seem to have a close relationship with consciousness. These properties emerge from serious scientific inquiry. They offer potential explanations for phenomena that have long puzzled researchers, from quantum entanglement to the placebo effect. But not everyone is convinced. Meet Sarah, a brilliant young biologist who's staking her career on disproving the existence of biophotons and torsion fields.
It's pseudoscience, plain and simple. There's no way cells are communicating with light. It goes against everything we know about biology.
Dr. Swanson's research paints a radical new picture of the human body. We're not just flesh and blood, but dynamic energy systems constantly exchanging information with the universe around us. This view challenges our conventional understanding of biology. How does a single fertilized egg know how to become a complete organism? How do billions of cells coordinate their activities with split-second precision? Instead of relying solely on chemical signals, our cells might be using light to communicate instantly across the entire body. This could explain the incredible coherence and coordination we see in living systems.
It doesn't make sense. My control experiments keep showing anomalous light emissions. There must be something wrong with my equipment.
Imagine each cell in your body as a tiny radio transmitter and receiver, broadcasting and listening to frequencies of light. These light signals create ripples in an invisible field that connects everything in the universe. One of the most fascinating implications of this research is the idea of a holographic body field. This invisible energy field, extending beyond our physical form, may contain the blueprint for our entire being. In a hologram, each part contains information about the whole. Similarly, this holographic body field might encode your entire physical and energetic structure. This concept aligns surprisingly well with ancient ideas of an aura or subtle body. Science is now catching up to what mystics have sensed for thousands of years. This could explain how some energy healing modalities can affect change by working on one part of the body or even at a distance. They're not just manipulating matter, they're retuning the entire holographic field. Perhaps the most profound implication of Dr. Swanson's work is what it means for our understanding of consciousness. Traditional science has struggled to explain how subjective awareness arises from the objective structures of the brain. But what if we're looking at it all wrong? What if our brains don't produce consciousness at all? What if they're more like antennas, tuning into a field of awareness that permeates all of existence? Consciousness may be like a radio signal. The brain doesn't generate it, it receives and processes it. And just as a radio can tune into different stations, our consciousness might be able to access different levels of reality. This perspective could explain a wide range of puzzling phenomena: intuition and extrasensory perception, the sense of being stared at, the placebo effect, the impact of intention on physical systems, synchronicities, and seemingly meaningful coincidences.
I can't explain it. I knew my mother was in trouble before the phone even rang. It shouldn't be possible, but
These ideas aren't just abstract theories. They have profound implications for health and healing. Imagine the revolution. Diagnostic tools that can read your body's light emissions. Therapies that restore harmony to your energy fields. A deeper understanding of how your thoughts and emotions affect your physical health. Researchers are already developing sophisticated devices to measure biophoton emissions, potentially allowing for early detection of disease states.
I still have doubts, but I'm here to learn. Show me what you found.
Despite their seemingly esoteric nature, torsion fields have a solid mathematical foundation. They emerged naturally from some of our most successful physical theories. The mathematics tells us that torsion fields are not just possible, but necessary. The challenge now is to develop the technology to detect and manipulate these fields directly.
There's something here we can't explain with our current models. It's time to expand our understanding of biology. The implications of this research extend far beyond health and healing. They challenge our very understanding of reality.
If torsion fields and biophotons behave as our research suggests, we need to fundamentally rethink our concept of space, time, and consciousness. This view of reality aligns in surprising ways with ancient wisdom traditions and modern philosophical concepts like panpsychism. The next time you have an unexplainable feeling of connection or an intuitive flash of insight, take a moment to pause. You might just be sensing the delicate dance of biophotons and torsion fields that's been happening since the dawn of time. We're not breaking the laws of physics, we're discovering new ones. And in doing so, we're bridging the gap between the physical and the metaphysical, between science and spirit. Torsion fields and biophotons unveil a universe more wondrous than imagined, illuminating the hidden threads of our cosmic interconnectedness.